If you're feeling down in the dumps, it's time to make some dumplings! Hey Busy Bees, it's Zong, and today I am back for our Asian New Year series, Lunar New Year's to be exact, and today I'm going to be making some dumplings, aka Potstickers. Now, every Lunar New Year, well, back when I was growing up, my parents would take us to dim sum, and I always looked forward to getting dumplings, pot stickers, all those little tiny purses of goodness. So today I'm gonna show you a really easy yet delicious pot sticker recipe. Be sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to see more Lunar New Year Asian dishes, and we'll go ahead and get started. I'm making a traditional pork and cabbage filling because that's the most popular one and it happens to be my favorite. It's really quite simple. I'm starting with 1 pound of ground pork. This is an 80-20 blend, so you want it kind of fatty because it'll release more juice. And then to that, I'm adding about 2 cups of really finely minced napa cabbage. The napa cabbage is also gonna keep the filling nice and juicy. Then I'll add 4 cloves of finely minced garlic, 2 scallions that I also finely minced, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, 1 tablespoon of kosher salt. Now, if you want to use soy sauce, you can, but I just feel like the salt really flavors it up more consistently. 2 teaspoons of sugar to balance it out, and finally, a dash of fresh ground pepper. And with my hands, I'll mix. You guys are so funny. In the last noodle stir fry or the rice cake stir fry video, you're like, is it even a honeysuckle video if you don't say mix? You called me out. I forgot to say it in that one, but I remembered today. So I'm mixing this with my hands because it gives me more control and I can make sure that the cabbage and the onions get distributed evenly. Plus you want it to become kind of a paste, like really pasty. And I can achieve that with my hands. The best kitchen tool you have. More pasty, more tasty. Ooh, it smells really good too. Like the ginger, the garlic, the onions. Cannot wait to eat this. Oh, if you guys also want, you can always add like, I would say ½ cup of pounded shrimp, like also kind of pasty, and mix it into here. That would add excellent flavor. But Nate doesn't really like seafood, so I try to just keep it minimal. This looks really good. I'm ready to fill my dumplings, but first I'm gonna wash my hands real quick. So I have my dumpling filling station all set out. I have a large plate that I've dusted with some flour just to keep our dumplings from sticking to the plate, because trust me, that has happened and it was annoying. Anyways, and then I have my dumpling wrappers. Of course you can make your own, but they sell these wrappers and they come in like 50 packs. That's so convenient and easy and they taste delicious. Some water to help seal the wrapper, and then my little hack that makes life so much easier. I'm using a cookie scoop to scoop our filling into the wrappers. It's gonna keep my hands cleaner and it becomes more consistent that way. So I'm gonna grab a wrapper, scoop some of our pork filling, then I'll dip my finger into the water, just draw a line kind of to the top of the wrapper, and then I'll start folding. Now, how I like to fold the wrapper is going from the outside of each end in, and crimp it until it seals, like this. This part's also really pretty therapeutic, but you just have to pay a little bit more attention. See, took my attention away and I messed it up. Sometimes you have to press the pork in to keep it contained because it has a tendency to squeeze out. And then once I place it down, I just like to fold it to shape it like this. So it becomes kind of like a, I don't know, a purse, a crescent shape. A little dumpling. So have you guys seen Crazy Rich Asians? There's a scene in there where they're all sitting around making dumplings together and they chit chat and just kind of catch up on life. But man, that mom was scary, right? Anyways, so this gives me a chance to kind of chit chat with you guys. How's it going? I'm really excited because in a few weeks we're going to Hawaii, and the last time I was there was for our baby moon. I was 5 months pregnant with Erisy, and that was so fun. I had a really great experience there. So this time we're actually taking my mom with us, and Erisy, she'll get to be a little beach bum. I got her this really cute little swimsuit from Target. It's kind of like a tutu, but we're just gonna kind of relax a little bit. Obviously, I'm gonna film because Aloha Eats is just like one of my favorite things to film ever. There's just so many good foods there, restaurants there, I mean. And so if you guys have a favorite restaurant that you've either been to in Honolulu or that you want to try, leave a comment below and let me know so maybe I can go check it out and review things for you. I don't get to do a lot of those like travel eating videos, but I really enjoy making them whenever I get the chance. I do have a few things that's kind of in the works that I really want to tell you guys about, but I can't yet, so I don't even know why I'm telling you this right now because I can't tell you, and that's like so annoying when someone teases you like that. But sign up for my mailing list, my newsletter, because it'll be announced there when I announce it. So the filling here will probably give you about 50. Obviously I'm not gonna be able to make 50 all at once right now while we're filming, but I will make as many as I can to fill up the plate, and then I'll show you guys how to cook it up. Do you guys prefer your pot stickers or dumplings steamed, or do you like them pan fried? I always order them pan fried because I just like the crispiness of the dumpling wrappers at the bottom, and I don't know, they're just easier to dip, I guess. The other one is so slippery, and I have to be honest with you, one of my weak skills, I'm not very good at using the chopsticks. Like I hold it like a pencil, and I don't know, that's something I need to work on. Erisy, I got her one of those like beginner's chopsticks. She's too young to use them right now, but I feel like I'm probably gonna have to practice as well. Last one. Ta-da! All done. How many did I do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 dumplings per 5 minutes. I don't know if that's too slow or pretty good. Anyways, we're gonna cook them up now. All right, so I'm gonna be cooking this in a 2-step process. I have my non-stick pan. Let it get hot on medium-high heat, and then I'll add about 2 tablespoons of oil. I'll layer my pot stickers in there, and then I'll add half a cup of water, and then I'll cover it with a lid for about 3 minutes. This way, the filling gets cooked through. Now I'll take the lid off, and then I'll just let the water evaporate and let the bottoms of the pot stickers fry up until they're a nice, beautiful, and crunchy golden brown. This will take about another 3 to 5 minutes. So here are our dumplings that I've plated. So now I'm gonna garnish it with some black sesame seeds, just for a little bit of interest, and some chopped green onions for color. Awesome. This looks like a beautiful dish to serve for New Year's, when your friends are over, your family is having dinner together. I would say this is pretty impressive, and it came together so quickly and so easy to make. For the dipping sauce, all I did was add some soy sauce, rice wine vinegar, sesame oil, and some chili sauce, and just mix it up together. If you guys want the recipe for the dipping sauce, I'll leave it in the description box below. But it's that time where we give it a try. It's juicy, savory. You get the you get the juiciness from the cabbage, and it's very sweet, along with the pork. Oh man, this is good. Little morsels of goodness right here. I mean, they sell dumplings in packages that are super convenient, but there's nothing like making them at home with your friends and family, especially when it comes together so quickly and easily. And I mean, look at this. It's to die for. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe and episode. Tell me, what is your favorite dumpling fillings? And do you guys like the soup dumplings more or the potsticker, like pan-fried potstickers more? I'd love to know. If you guys end up making these potstickers, I would love to see your creations because I will reshare them on social. So be sure to tag me at Honeysuckle. I will be back soon with another famous Chinese dim sum dish. It's a sweet one, so I can't wait to share it with you. I'll see you guys next time. Bye! I was gonna return this shirt, but maybe it's not so bad after all, huh?